Okay, so a lot of you kids are having trouble with big ideas and getting in and working on it. So I thought I'd show you really quickly. So once you go to bigideasmath.com, you're going to log in with Clever like we always do. And your page is going to look a little bit different, but not too much. I just have different classes up here. But you still have like the resources and stuff. So our first couple of assignments were in this book. All of our other assignments are going to be in Course 1, California. So what you need to do is make sure you always click on the one you want. So all of our older assignments are in this book. All of our new assignments will be in that book. So you need to toggle back and forth. And actually, as of the 25th, I'll get rid of this first book and you won't have any problems. Then if you need to submit, I can't do that because I'm not a teacher, but if I want to submit, because I am a teacher, if you want to submit something or save something, you always go up to your name. Your assignments will always be here. So if I go to the first few assignments for this first section, I go to assignments, all of them are overdue, so they're going to be in the overdue tab. And you just click on them and it tells you where you need to be. And then you can just click on it and do the work. Okay, good luck. You only have until like the 24th to get them done. So make sure you get them done, and if you have any questions, make sure to ask me.